guys, today we're comparing the Eufy and the Mova!
If you're a pet owner, you know how quickly a clean house can turn into chaos. Fur piling up in corners, spilled water bowls, and somehow cat litter showing up in rooms your pet never even entered. After testing dozens of robot vacuums in the past year, we wanted to put two popular options head to head to see which one actually makes daily life easier. Today we're comparing the Eufy C28 and the Mova P50 Pro Ultra, focusing on what really matters for pet households: mopping performance, hair pickup, maintenance, and overall convenience. We chose these two specifically because they sit in a very similar price range, making them direct competitors for most buyers. On top of that, the Mova P50 Pro Ultra has been a well-known, best-selling model for a while now, so it serves as a strong benchmark to see how newer technology stacks up in real-world use. We'd like to thank Eufy for sponsoring this video and sending us the C28 for testing, but we'll share the real pros and cons for both robots so you can decide which one fits your home and cleaning needs. Starting with the unboxing experience, both robots feel premium, but they definitely take different approaches. The C28 has a clean matte finish with subtle LED indicators and a straightforward station design that feels minimal and practical. The P50 Pro Ultra from Mova leans more toward a high-tech aesthetic design. Accessories are fairly standard across both models, and overall build quality feels solid on each. They definitely have a different style, so it depends on which one matches your space better. When it comes to real cleaning performance, mopping is where the biggest difference shows up, especially with pet messes. The C28 uses a 10.7-inch roller mop, the longest in its price range, and it stays incredibly clean thanks to real-time self-washing up to 9 times per second, the highest frequency in the industry. An internal scraper constantly squeezes dirty water off the roller into the waste tank. And with 10 newtons of downward pressure, it's able to scrub away muddy paw prints and spilled water in a single pass without spreading grime around. The P50 Pro Ultra, on the other hand, uses a more traditional dual pad system. It handles everyday dirt well, but on bigger wet messes, you'll notice the pads collect debris mid-clean, which is typical for this style. So for heavy pet messes, the C28 clearly has the edge, while both are solid for routine maintenance. Hair tangling is another major pain point for pet owners, and this is where the C28 really stands out. Its duo spiral system uses a 4-step anti-tangle technology to achieve zero hair tangling. During cleaning, the dual spiral rubber brushes stay closely engaged with the floor, which helps prevent mist debris while actively resisting hair wrap, something pet owners will immediately appreciate. Then, once the robot heads back to the station, the system actually opens up, allowing trapped hair to be fully suctioned away. That means far less manual brush cleaning, which is a huge quality of life improvement if you run your robot frequently. The P50 Pro Ultra still handles hair effectively, but like most traditional brush systems, you'll occasionally need to remove wrapped hair manually. It's not a deal breaker, but if low maintenance is a priority, the C28 definitely has the advantage here. Looking at suction power, the C28's 15,000 Pascal rating is very competitive for its price range, and easily handled pet hair on hard floors and medium pile carpet with our testing. The P50 Pro Ultra does offer slightly stronger peak suction and can pull ahead a bit on thicker carpet or deeper debris extraction. They both have automatic carpet boost mode. That said, for the majority of homes, especially those with hard floors and area rugs, both robots provide more than enough cleaning power. Edge and corner cleaning is another area that matters for pet households since hair tends to collect along baseboards. The Eufy is square-shaped, so it's able to clean better along edges when compared to round-shaped robots. The Eufy C28 uses dual side brushes, while the Mova only uses one. However, the Mova is able to extend its one side brush to get into corners. These are two different designs, but they both do a great job of getting debris and pet hair out of corners and along baseboards. The biggest contrast between these two robots shows up when you look at the stations. The C28 station is more basic, but covers all the core functions you actually need. It is compact and space-saving, making it ideal for small apartments or city homes. The P50 Pro Ultra, on the other hand, is clearly built for users who want the most hands-off experience possible, with more advanced automation and smarter station features. If you love the idea of maximum convenience and extra tech, the P50 pulls ahead here. But if you just want something that handles the essentials really well, the C28 does exactly that. Navigation and obstacle avoidance follow a similar pattern. The C28 uses laser navigation, which is extremely consistent and works well even in low light conditions. It maps quickly and cleans inefficient paths, though it won't recognize every small object on the floor. The P50 Pro Ultra's more advanced system can identify more obstacle types and feels a bit more intelligent overall, which is helpful if you have a lot of clutter or frequently leave items on the floor. So, which one should you choose? If your top priorities are strong mopping performance, minimal hair maintenance, and excellent everyday cleaning, the C28 is the better fit. It focuses on the core tasks that actually save you time every day and delivers impressive performance for its price. If you're more interested in advanced automation, smarter obstacle avoidance, and a feature-rich station, the P50 Pro Ultra is the more premium experience. Ultimately, it comes down to whether you value cleaning performance first or convenience features first. From a value perspective, the C28 stands out because it delivers high-end cleaning capability without stepping into flagship pricing. For many pet households, that translates directly into less time spent cleaning and more time actually enjoying your home. The C28 is a great choice for small space users. It's not just about buying a robot vacuum, it's about reducing daily chores and making pet messes less stressful to manage. Don't miss out. Go check them both out now.